If you have any important documents or sensitive credentials that you want to send securely, using a secure email is the best option. In this video, we'll show you how to send a secure email step by step, and also take a look at how it works on the receiving end to keep your information safe and encrypted. It's very easy. All you have to do is compose a new email, attach your documents if needed. If you turn on this switch before sending your email, it will be sent as a secure, encrypted email. The recipient will see an email like this, not the original email you sent. To view the original email you sent, they'll need to click here. It will take them to the secure email portal. If they are opening a secure email from you for the first time, they'll need to register first. In other words, if they haven't received any secure emails from you before, registration is required. Just add the required information and create a strong password for the secure email. Make sure the customer uses the same email address where you sent the secure email. And create an account. Once they create an account, the customer will receive a verification email like this. Click on this link. A new tab will open for the secure email portal. If the email doesn't appear there, simply open the first email they received and click the link. Click this link. The email will open in a new tab. In the future, if you send more secure emails, they can simply log in using the same email and password they set when creating their account.